Manish, team member of Go Bikes. We started on 11th of May and we completed on 23rd of May. So it deals with building the backend services, and as a part of the backend stack, we use Laravel and MySQL for building RESTful API. So after completing this API, RESTful API, we will be integrating with the Flutter. So as a part of the team, Roshan is a developer and he's spending 5 hours daily on building and researching on making API. And as a part of me, Manish, I'm also spending 5 hours daily for building API. The list of user stories which have been completed in the sprint 2. So the first thing is like a database is set up, like login and sign up can be done. And then as I have already shown in the front in the sprint 1, like dashboard is also built, and the backend part is also done here as a part of the API call. As an admin need the dashboard for the backend applications. So a dashboard is built in Laravel, and user authentication is also done over like an admin can only login can enter into the system through login. So as a part of the user can log in into the system, and then in case of forget the password, OTP verification is also sent into the user mail in case of forget the password. Similarly, bike list process is also built in the backend process, like list of bike. If I click on the bike list, then it will automatically call the API, and all of the data will be shown over here. And then bike will be bike will be added into the card, like a list of bike in order to rent that will be added into the card. And then the furthermore, like making payment for the rented bike feature, like user stories also is also added. So these are the list of user which are being completed in the and some of are ongoing on the user on the sprint 1. Sorry. So the supporting evidence uh, is supporting evidence for this one. This one is the code, um, and we are building for building an API. And this one is the database. Over here, we are using the MySQL, but we are creating database over here. Each and these are the list of the table. Like in order to prevent normalization, we are creating a database for a single, like for password. This one is the API. This one is the API. It is making get request to the controller, as means API is making request to the controller. These are the API makes get request to the controller. It's the controller, and it got a backend. This one is the bike list controller, and this one is FAQ controller and user list controller. So for further explanation for the supporting evidence, this is our ready-made user interface. So user can log in, register, and then select different types. And then this one is also the FAQ page, which I have talked already. Shell component, which we have done in previous sprint, is user interface was built in previous. So specific knowledge what I used in this sprint 2 is RESTful API in Laravel. I learned that concept and use over here. And then like just over here, like for API we need to learn about the HTTP request and HTTP response call. So I learned that concept and used over here. And then how to make an API request to the controller, I have learned that and used over here. And then the last but not the least is we're gonna do in later on and just over here as well, like how to integrate the RESTful API to the Flutter, so that we can face the real we can face the data. So the past sprint knowledge deals with the concept of building wireframe. As in the mobile app development process, always start with the making objective, and then the second phase is as a part of designing deals with the making wireframe, and then we convert that wireframe into the coding phase. Thing is uh, showing list of bike according to city. There are according to the client requirements, we need to show the list of the bike according to city, so we are working on it. So there are 3 or 4 list of the cities, so we need to show on that. Also, the payment gateway API could have been done in this sprint, so that it would be more gone better. Thank you.